Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an order unboxing from Bead Box Bargains, and it's kind of ridiculous because I haven't even posted the last one that I did. I've been taking a little bit of a break, so I have like a stack of videos to get out, and I just have not felt like it. So this one's going to be probably a couple weeks before it gets posted, but here's their information. Here is my free gift, which are some really cute little butterfly beads. And I could actually patina these or enamel them and they'd be really cute. If you're not aware, they have a sister site called Bargain Bead Box, which is a monthly subscription. So in the description of this video, I have a coupon code if you're interested in signing up with their monthly box and an affiliate link. But here are some things. This is something new that we kind of saw in the monthly box, and they're enameled glass, and they just look like sea spray to me. Aren't those really cool? So I don't remember what colors I got, but I got this like a green or aqua. I like those. Of course, I got a ton of check glass because that's what they're really good at on their sister site or on the Bead Box Bargains. So we have this beautiful, completely AB Dragonfly Focal. So I got one of those. I don't know what color I would put that in with, maybe purple. And we've got a green, but it's a cool shape. Look at that. That is interesting. I love that. I love, fun, funky check. That's why I keep going back, because they have check beads that I don't see anywhere else, and they have them in quantities where I don't have to buy a whole strand. I just get a few. We've got some limes. Somebody posted a picture of these, a screenshot from the store into my group on Facebook and said, "Hey, I thought you might like these." And I was like, "Oh girl, I already bought them." But thank you for thinking of me and being an enabler. So we have these beautiful lines. I really like these. They're so yummy, and I like how they have like a little bit of an AB silvery look to them. So I had a couple packs of those. I got some of these shell ceramic beads. So I have large like nautilus shells with the same finish, and I just thought these would go really well with those. Here's another ceramic bead. It's a little cactus. Isn't this sweet? I love him or her or they or them. And then we have two sets of these little flowers. These are blue with a heavy gold wash on them. Love those. Got two sets of those. I hadn't seen this shape really, so that's why I kind of went with this one. And they're like a gold luster, gold wash. It's like almost a rose gold wash over, I think, blue, but it's so heavy you can't really tell what color the beads are underneath. But again, I hadn't really seen this shape too much, if at all. I can't remember, but if I have them, I only have a couple. So I thought those were really nice. Don't know, again, what color I would put those in with. Maybe my metallic check glass. I thought this was a neat little flower and a really pretty red. Oh, and you know what? On the site, I kind of thought that the flower hole went that way, so it's nice to see that it goes from top to bottom, and it's not like a marguerite. And then we've got some little red owls. I think they're red. But they've got a really nice Picasso on them. Little tiny babies. And I got some copper spikes. Yummy. I love those. I always try to get the spikes, and then I never even know what to do with them. I got to do something with them sooner or later, or else I'm going to have too many spikes, but they're gorgeous. I love that finish. Me and leaves, these are like they have like a velvety matte finish. They actually look like almost like algae on a pond or something. I just thought they were so cool. So stinking cool. My goodness. They just keep coming out with these awesome finishes. I can't help it but get them. I am a bead collector, right? Here are more of those enamel beads. And this, I don't know if these are black or really dark blue. I think it's black. But I thought, when I bought them, I thought maybe they would work with like Jet Picasso. Or maybe I thought they were blue. I don't know. I'll have to look. And maybe I'll put on the screen if they're black or blue. They're neat. They're neat. Would I buy them again? Probably not. Not 100% sure on that one. We've got more of those oval flowers, and this is like a purple clear with a heavy gold wash. More of this really cool, I don't know what shape this is, like a ripple or a sun shape oval, sun-shaped oval. So neat. Heavy bronze on these. I don't really know what color's under there. It's like a darker gray blue. Oh, and I got two of those. Same shape, different color. This is more of a light blue with a silver wash, or maybe a light silvery blue wash on it. Oh no, I got a broken bead. Well, it happens, and you can tell it didn't break at Bead Box Bargains because it's painted in the middle. So, oh well, I'll figure out how to use that eventually if I ever use these beads. Sometimes a broken bead can make your project look a little rugged, so I'll save it for that. We've got some purpley, lilac-y flowers with black wash, which you don't really see too much, but I do usually see it with like green or purple. It's like a charcoal wash. Like the little diamonds around. That's kind of cool. More of these oval flowers in a different color. So this is like a copper wash with blue. Very nice. I like that. Ooh, hearts. And I love that they're not in like a traditional heart color. So these are like a hunter green, forest green. I don't know if it's really rich green. I don't know if it's really coming up on the screen how nice this green is, but my goodness, those are wonderful. And then more of this shape. I was really heavy on this shape. This and the oval flowers. I didn't even remember, but oh my goodness, look at this. Like green with an AB, but like a, I don't know, it's like a swampy green, but it looks so cool with that AB in those spokes. Oh my gosh, I love those. Those are some of my favorites so far today. I love flashy. If you guys didn't know. So these are really neat. I don't have any that are this shape, I don't think. Look at them. They look like hard candy, like your grandma's candy. I love them. They're very chunky. Nice, beautiful roses. And I got them in this color. And this color, which this one looks a little bloody. My Bloody Valentine. Maybe I could do some Dexter Valentine earrings or something with these. But they're interesting. It's very interesting. I think, you know, I like cool, weird stuff. So I don't mind it. Then I had another dragonfly, and this one is a really nice like olive with a heavy AB table cut. So cool. So neat. I'm not like a huge dragonfly fan like in real life, but on beads, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. We did make that really pretty dragonfly necklace with Sam's Bead Box. Ooh. Some lovely little table cut flowers in a bright blue. Love that. Oh my gosh, those are so fun. And then we have some hearts. I love this. This looks like gives me like a mystical sea theme to me, like almost like a unicorny theme. Like, is there something like a seahorse unicorn? Oh my gosh, I cracked myself up. So it's got blue and purple in there in that satin finish, and it's table cut with Picasso, and I just love it. I just love it. If I could be a bead today, it would be this bead for sure. So yummy. Ooh, this is a color I don't see too often with check glass, and it's teal. And actually, I think it's like a teal wash over a crystal glass with a silver wash on top. So it's like two washes. Those are neat. I love those. I don't see that color very often. If I did, I'd be on top of it because it's gorgeous. And then we have some red metallic flowers. And it's weird because I thought these would be the same red metallic that I have with like several different shapes, but this seems to be not as vibrant, and it's more translucent than the red I've seen before. Still pretty though. And then last but not least, one more pack of flowers. Here we go. Really cute bronze wash, sky blue with a little bit of white in there. Beautiful. Okay, my favorites were these hearts, these teal flowers, these mossy, swampy leaves, which all three of these look good together. These hearts, these sparkly ones, and then that huge big dragonfly at the beginning. So I had quite a few favorites in this one, but let me know, what were your favorites? What would you do with some of these things? And absolutely stay tuned for Goldie because she's super cute. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye. Hey, Snookums, what you doing in there? Are you in your cave? Goldie? You just don't want to have anything to do with your mom, do you? Oh, there she is. Hi, cutie butt. Hi. All right, I'll let you sleep.